ating 17th map. Draw the remaining man-made features based on the given categories. So, ito siya. First, kunin natin, okay. Kunin natin ang ating long driveway. Dito tayo mag-start. Dito siya. This is, meron na ditong double row parking. So, hindi ko na siya itutuloy dyan. Press Y. Then, capture ko naman itong part. Which is, hanggang dito lang siya. Naman. Continue ko siya dito. Diretso ko na dito. Same with this one. Hanggang dito. Then balik sa umpisa. This one. Ayan. So, ito, uncheck ko lang kasi yan. Then ito, dahil meron siyang double row parking, hindi ko siya kinapture hanggang dito. Kunin muna natin itong part as short driveway. Then, kunin natin siya as parking. Saan ang ating parking? This one. Capture ko siya hanggang dito. Then spacebar, ayan. Then kunin natin yung ibang part as outside parking. Outside parking, this one. Spacebar, ayan. One. Itong part. Then this one also. Ito pa pala. Capture lang natin lahat. Then, check natin. Okay na ba? Then next, ito. Meron tayong swimming pool dito. So, capture natin ang ating swimming pool. And I think this part is kiddie pool. So, capture din natin yan. The next is pavement. This is pavement. Lahat lang ng makikita nating mankind. Gawa ng mankind. Yan, capture natin. Then this, ito is short driveway. Lagyan natin siya ng short driveway. Here. Then ito, this is pavement. Kita nyo may mga gray, may mga crack. Pero this is considered as pavement pa din. Para lang siyang basag-basag na part ng pavement. And ito, I think this is parking. Ayan, may mga sasakyan na nakapark. So, first, kunin muna natin ang ating driveway. Here. So, here. Then, itong part, this is long driveway. So, capture natin siya. Okay. Continue ko siya dito kasi ayan o. Continue siya dito. Then, this part is a parking. Well, this one, I think this is paikot pala to. Amen. Then this part is parking na. Yung buo. So, I think this part is, pwede siya sa parking, pero I think hindi naman na to park, sasakyan. So, tatag ko na lang siya as pavement. Then, this one, meron tayong pavement din dito. Oops, sorry. Yan. Then, okay na. Meron tayong road, driveway, long driveway, sidewalk, railway, wala. Bridge. Okay, bridge. Road overlap. Okay, parking, outside parking, inside parking, pavement, sports ground, and swimming pool. I think nakuha na natin yung lahat. Oh, this one. This is long driveway. Meron tayong check.